Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install Spotify on a Windows computer. First, open your web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser you prefer. Now, go to the official Spotify website. On the Spotify website, look for the download option for Windows. Click the download button to download Spotify for your Windows computer. The Spotify installer will now start downloading. Wait a few moments until the download is complete. The download time may vary depending on your internet connection. Once the download is finished, open the downloaded Spotify installer from your browser's download section or from your downloads folder. After you open the installer, Spotify will begin the installation process. You may see a Windows security message asking whether you want to allow the installer to make changes to your device. If this message appears, select Yes to continue. The Spotify installer will now install the application on your computer. You don't need to change any complicated settings during this process. Simply wait while Spotify completes the installation. Once the installation is finished, Spotify will open automatically. At this point, Spotify is successfully installed on your Windows computer. You can now use the Spotify app to listen to music, podcasts, and other available content. If you already have a Spotify account, you can sign in from the app. If you don't have an account, you can create one. For this tutorial, we're only focusing on installing Spotify, so you don't need to complete the login process. And that's how you can download and install Spotify on Windows. Thanks for watching. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more Spotify tutorials.